the link I sent you, now.
Read my posts always, bro.
We live, no? Let's see.
Is it live already? My guy's live.
It's 1857. Champagne.
It's gonna be live, no?
At the end of the day, being good causes unnecessary anger, so stop making money. If I could do it and work on you, girl, if I make it work, ain't no way that I'm saying no. It's 1857. Champagne. What's the word of the day?
And you know what we did to make the signal like we bought our own data, our Marcellino, the stuff one, and then we just hotspot it in the screen green live, bro. Yeah. So if you want to control it as well.
You live, eh?
I know. When you stream, you're not supposed to be professional. You know, you have to, be nice. You feel me? Enjoy. You feel me?
Yeah, that's
Feel like that, man. You guys always try to
Make a
trap
post
me.
there as well.
Let me send you this, no?
What? Is that? Who?
No, of course
Just
I'm
use your
fixing
phone.
it.
I did.
Say that for you, of course.
Yeah, make mine alone.
Yeah, I'm doing
Yeah,
so.
babe.
We talk afterwards. Just go to your
Eba fit
YouTube.
san mo nan. Hoe gaan het? Goed, dankie sal. Privet, maar je e-mail aan dile.
YouTube.
Privet, maar your email and delay. You did it perfect, bro. You're Russian now.
Yeah. Privet, Kadila?
Все хорошо у тебя?
Yeah. Все хорошо.
That's the one.
For the comments.
Yeah, for your chat.
I'm not the birthday girl. The birthday girl is my brother. I'm not the birthday
Post it
girl. The
already.
birthday. Yeah.
That you're alive.
Yeah.
I wanted to send this to you so that I can
Do it also. I can do it again.
Okay.
I'm not the birthday girl. The birthday girl is my sister. Don't we have a mouse?
They took the mouse, bro. Fuck. Just move up, no?
That's
there
fine.
you go.
What you mean? I got a mouse for you?
Can,
You want
Can
a
I
mouse?
remove all these things, bro? I
it's
don't
not
know.
mine, it's Marcellino, I think. Marcellino.
I'm not the birthday girl. The birthday girl is my brother. I'm not the birthday girl. Oh, guys, oh my gosh. Can I have the ND preset back?
Yeah, what, I don't know what they did, bro. They.
ND fib.
Yo, there.
Yeah,
Go here.
fixed it.
Oh, he fixed it.
Not the birthday girl. The birthday girl is my brother.
They said the goat is back. The goat.
The goat is back. You already know what the fuck going on. This is your boy, the goat Andy Zong. Welcome back to the stream. You already know what's happening, Sham. Pain, man. Yes, sir. We outside type shit. You feel me?
Yeah, I sent you. Let me just show you. This way you're gonna place your link. I'm gonna check the audio quick now. What is perfect? This is where you're gonna place your link, no? Yeah. Isn't the first time seeing Andy such a vibe, bro?
Bro, I'm always a vibe. In these lives, I'm the most alive person here. Everyone is always. Bro, I don't do that, man. Privet Kadila.
Все хорошо у тебя.
What do I say after that?
Все хорошо
Oh, все хорошо.
у тебя.
У тебя. What does it mean?
And you.
Oh, you saying, oh
I
look,
don't know about comment.
Privet,
Привет.
Privet Kadila.
Все хорошо у тебя.
And then what do I say?
Тоже хорошо.
Тоже хорошо.
Yeah,
Ah,
that's
my
also
brother.
good. Hey,
Champagne.
let's go, champagne.
Yo.
I just need no vibes. I don't need none of the toxic. Guys, that's morning. Let's see what we can have to trade. But it's a Friday. I don't like really trading on Fridays. You guys are making me be somebody I'm not, man. I don't like trading on Fridays. Do we have a preset for this thing? Cause now I don't know. What was your preset for the line?
Bro, mouse.
Sorry. What was the preset for this line? This one. Cause there was a point where when I was doing this, it was in this thick thing.
Yeah,
man.
you just
It was your arrow.
go again. Make it at home.
Here?
An arrow.
All right, bet. Yeah,
That's
yours
you
was
can-
like
you
this.
can make it thinner now.
It's okay.
Okay, perfect.
It's okay.
There's some Comit here. There's the towel. Downstairs. We could open them. You're not allowed to open though. Hide. You can't see the time frame. So you should just tell him what the time frame is now, because of this banner, you must update him what time frame it is, pay you on it.
Wait. There's some. Please go get people downstairs.
So people downstairs.
They went.
I already sent one.
Bayat. That's 4 meters.
Check it, no?
Okay, it's the
because of the new layout, no? They can't see this in the time frame. So when you just go different time, just update them what time frame in.
Okay.
And they pay you on.
All right, guys. So right now we are currently on a 1 hour time frame. Explain it, and we can't see the pay. The pay is XAU USD. This is XAU. This is gold. I feel like we have a head and shoulders right here. As far as it's not sharp, but it is a head and shoulders. So we're probably gonna drop. But I wanna see the market behavior as soon as it gets to this level. Because at the same time, I don't wanna be certain about something that might not be going on. You feel me? So I need to be certain. Because the market might bounce here and start going up. You may not know, man. That's 4 meters.
Yes, can you please explain the trend line?
Guys, a trend line is art that we use to determine touches on the market, or rather structures and patterns. So a trend line is this, basically, guys. It's a line that you either draw going up or a line that you draw going. Let me use
I think they win the one that you drew there. They see the trend line you drew with the arrow now?
a one going down. That's not a trend line.
Okay.
It's a you can use this tool for anything else, but this is not a trend line. This is like, what do you call this? I can call it like a ray line. Why? Because it just marks the horizontal lows and horizontal highs. But for a trend line, it's something that involves touches. For an example, we can have a trend line here, first touch, second touch, and then a break of structure right here. So this can be a trend line. Why? Because we have these marks over here. We have these marks. We have this. We have, oh my gosh, I need, oh yeah. Can I have juice and water and sparkling water, please? Yes, sir. I need to, that, we had a break here. Yeah, sure, sorry. You see, this is a trend line. And then let's draw another trend line at the top. This is a trend line. So we can regard this whole thing as a trend, because now we are creating higher lows, higher highs. Higher lows, higher highs. Here, higher lows. It failed, broke below, started dropping. So now from here, we might expect a little bit of push to the upside to come here and then start dropping again. So yeah, that's what we're waiting for right now. So right now, the only thing I'm waiting to see is what's the reaction as soon as the market gets here. From here, I can tell whether I'm buying or selling. But what I know is there can be a potential pullback, because this is just a break of structure. It retested. There could be a potential pullback. So let's see here. So if we can drop to here, we can expect the pullback to come from here and then start dropping. But that's besides the point. Let's see the behavior of the market. Right now, it's about patience. Let's go look at the pairs I trade, others that I trade. I trade GPJPY. Let's look at GPJPY. Oh my gosh. 4 hour time frame. That high created this low. So if I use my Fibonacci retracement from here to here, we can potentially see that the area where the market was supposed to collect price was here. The area that the market was thank you, bro. And then 1 hour time frame. This is GBP JPY, guys. This is GBP JPY. This is the 1 hour time frame. Let's see. So the first thing I'm seeing is a pattern structure here. We're having an ascending structure, and we just had a break. We came back and wicked or spiked, retest. So we are continuing down now. So for me, I don't take such trades. Why? Because there's a lot of wicks that happen here. It wicked down, it wicked up. So a lot of things are happening. A lot of things are happening. So I don't really like. Why is this thing sitting like this? I need it like this. Yeah. So there's a lot of wicks. It spiked up, spiked down. So there's no really much of pure direction, because you might anti-sell here, spikes up again, you anti-buy, spikes down again. So don't be trapped in the circle of doom. So let's start with the dollar index. Let's see the dollar index. Oof. So if the dollar index is dropping this much, oh man, that's crazy. That's scary. Let's see. So the market got to this level and it started turning. So this gives us a confirmation of this is a double top. So because we have these tops catered, therefore we have these tops 1, 2. So this low created this low. So now we can take our Fibonacci retracement from here to there. That's exactly where the market actually turned. Yeah, that's exactly where the market actually turned, if you can look here. But this one was just fake in, dropped. This one literally tapped into the 71st level, which the fair value gaps were at. And then let's go 4 hour time frame. On a 4 hour time frame, zooming it in. Here, so you can see first trend, second trend. All right, so what I'm seeing here is also a potential head and shoulders, but it will either make sense either when we get to this zone or to this zone. But so far it doesn't, because it's just in the middle, so we cannot determine whether we're selling or we are buying as yet. So it might continue to sell, bounce up here, or sell till here, then bounce up there. So it's just a matter of fact of pure patience right now. It's just pure patience right now. So from this low, if we were to continue, because if you can look at the market now, higher low, no, higher low, and then higher high. What am I doing? Wait. Higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low. But this higher low might want to be completed somewhere around about here before we start creating another higher high. The market is actually more impressive. How we use trend lines with SMC, Shaq. Guys, please also next week do this. Don't let it end. All right. So guys, any questions you have, Shaquel will be with it there. He's moderating there.
Is actually your style of training. They're asking. I think they want to know exactly how do you, because when we're using SMC and trains.
Okay. So guys, how I trade personally, I mix price action with smart money concept. So the smart money concept helps me to understand prices and movement better, whereas trend lines and or price action makes me understand the movement. For an example, according to smart money, we know that as soon as we see such a candle, we know that there's a lot of investors in the trade or something like that. Whereas in price action, this is an impulse, but we may know the reason why it came. It came because we are starting to move tricklish to the upside, and this is called a reversal pattern. This is building a reversal pattern per se. Because I think this trade in a bigger time frame, it's supposed to sell. Yeah.
Do you only use the 71 and 79 to enter trades?
Yes. Because they kind of like a measurement of where my trades are really ready. Yeah, so now it's a matter of fact of patience, guys.
And can you analyze US 30 they're asking as well?
Guys, I don't want to feed you Poison. To be honest, I don't want to feed you poison. I don't trade US 30. I don't trade US 30, NASDAQ. No, I only trade gold most of the time, and I trade currencies part time. So that is why. GPUSD. Let me see. At the end of the day, also it's Friday, guys. To be honest, I don't really trade like that on Friday. I'm scared as. I don't really trade like that on Fridays. Okay, it looks like these buys have started, but we just gotta wait and see how they play around. Looks like these buys have started, but I don't really trade such markets. They don't look clean, man. To be honest, I don't really trade such markets. They don't look clean. Gold, let's see gold. Okay.